Hello viewers. Welcome to Tech Geek for another video. In today's video I will show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. WhatsApp's delete message feature changed the instant messaging game once and for all. Now, users are able to delete a text that was never supposed to be sent to begin with. These wrongly sent messages contain vital personal revelations, from acknowledgements of love to critical secrets. No wonder, everyone is trying to find a way to overturn this new feature. Well, to your delight, we have a found way of outwitting WhatsApp. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to access deleted WhatsApp messages without the need of a third-party app. Trust me, it doesn't take a minute. Follow these steps. First, on your Android's home screen, long press for a couple of seconds on a free area and tap Widgets. Scroll down to the Settings widget. Hold it and place it on a free space on your screen. A Settings shortcut window will appear on your device's main screen. Scroll down and tap Notification Log. Go back to your main screen. Tap Notification Log and read the conversation you wish to read. That's it. This is how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.